Hey coders, welcome back to CodingPorium.
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya
Halloween is around the corner, and today we're mixing memes with a little jump scare fun. We're building a Tung Tung Sahur meme scare page. At first, it looks like a simple, funny meme button. But wait 5 seconds, boom! Instant Halloween scare mode. It escalated quickly, right? 1 second it's meme vibes, next second your friends are screaming at their screens. Let's see how it's built. Super simple HTML here. A heading, a play meme button, a hidden scary text, a scary image, and 2 audio files. One for the meme, one for the jump scare. That's the whole structure. Now for the CSS. This is where the Halloween magic happens. Default background is black, text is white. The meme mode gets a crazy rainbow gradient with hue rotate animation. The scare mode, instant red plus black strobe effect. The scary text shakes violently with glowing shadows, and the image stays hidden until the scare drops. Finally, the brains of the project, the JavaScript. We have a function called startMeme. When you click play meme, the background switches to meme mode and the meme audio plays. After 5 seconds, meme mode turns off. Scare mode activates, screen flashes red, scary text plus image appear, meme audio stops, and the jump scare sound blasts in. Simple but effective. Perfect prank page for Halloween. And that's it, a Halloween project that's funny, spooky, and guaranteed to get your friends. Just send them the link and watch the chaos unfold. If you enjoyed this spooky meme build, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you got scared even though you knew it was coming. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.